line command, ortho on, draw a line 100 mm length, height 12 mm, again 100 mm length, and complete the rectangle. Then draw a line from midpoint of height of height 90 mm. Okay, next draw a circle of radius 25. Again draw a circle of diameter 25. Erase this projection. Draw a line from this point to tangent to circle. Mirror this line. Next draw a line from this point horizontal 1.5 mm length. Okay. Next mirror this line. Next use a trim command. Trim these unwanted lines. Erase these lines. Next use a command known as join command. Next make it 3D. Use a Pressfull command. Pressfull this object up to 60. Pressfull this object before Pressfull this object up to 10 mm thickness. Next Pressfull this object up to 45 mm length. Okay. Next use a fillet command. Select this object. Select these lines. Enter the value of radius 25. Select these lines. Press enter. Next changes this view to world coordinate. Next select left plane. Okay, draw a line from this point to this midpoint. Okay, and connect these lines. Okay, now join these lines. Next use a Pressfull command. Pressfull this up to 10 mm. Now convert it to shade with gray. This rib, which is a 3D solid, move of 5 mm length. Now select a vert coordinate. Select a vert coordinate. Right click on this and take it as parallel. Next select a top view. Vert coordinate also take the top view. Next draw a circle. Take this projection. Mark this point of diameter 12. Okay. Now mirror this circle. Say no. Next convert it to vert coordinate. Here also vert coordinate. Make it parallel. Next use a Pressfull command. Pressfull these circles. Pressfull this circle and Pressfull this circle, so it create an hole. This is simplest way to draw a 3D object. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.